I will explain exactly how to use silence to win any argument by hacking the social instincts of your opponent. Most people believe that winning requires more words, but biology proves that the person who speaks less holds the power. When you are in a heated argument, your opponent's brain is flooded with adrenaline. They are prepared for a back and forth battle. By staying completely silent while they are talking, you deny them the conflict they are looking for. Because the human brain is biologically wired to seek patterns and closure, an unexpected silence creates an intense psychological pressure called social anxiety. If someone insults you or makes a weak point, look them directly in the eyes and do not say a word. Their brain will immediately begin to second-guess their own statement. To stop the discomfort of the silence, they will usually start talking again to explain themselves. In this process, they often over-explain, reveal their insecurities, or even take back what they said just to break the tension. Silence also gives you time to stay in your logical brain while your opponent stays in their emotional brain. While they are losing control, you are observing. By the time you finally speak, your words will have 10 times more impact because you have forced the other person to wait for them. The reality is that the person who talks the most is usually the one trying the hardest to be heard. Silence is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign that you are not threatened. Subscribe for more.